If you have tomatoes, eggs, and one onion in your house, learn how to make this wonderful recipe. To begin, we'll slice one onion. Then, let's slice one tomato. In a bowl, we'll put 3 eggs, salt, garlic, and we'll mix. Let's add 1/4 of a cup of milk. In a frying pan, we'll put some butter, turn on low heat, and fry the onion. Then, let's add the tomatoes. You can place them the way you prefer. We'll add some salt and pour the eggs. Let's season with black pepper and close the pan for about 5 minutes. Then let's add cheese, and oregano. We'll close the pan again for another 3 minutes. And our recipe is ready! So delicious! Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you next time. Bye bye!